Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss questions on puzzle test, which is most important for preliminary UPSC preliminary friends, and puzzle test will be a favorite topic of the UPSC every year. So as usual you all guys will know very much about this. So next you can follow me on this links. The details will be given in the description box friends, and you can call me on this number, that is 9640123412, for any getting personal guidance friends, right? So next we will start today's our topic, that is puzzle test, which is most important for UPSC CSAT paper 2. So the question here is in front of you, so please do pause the video and do try to attempt this question friends. So let me tell you the question. First of all, the question is find out the odd one, right friends? So let me write here, just a second friends. First of all, let me write the question here for you. So find out the odd one, right? And option A is 1 box R, option B 7 box P, option C 5 box W, and option D 1 box Q, right friends? So find out the answer for this and let me know in the comment section friends. So now we'll start reading the passage. So first of all, do try to read the passage as well for 3 minutes friends, right? So this is a practice session, so take a time a little bit extra, there will be no problem, right friends? So next we will start reading this passage, that is direction: study the following information and answer the given questions, right? The question is given to you. Now the passage are, there are 8 boxes from P to W are placed one above the other but not necessarily in the same order, right? The lowermost box position is numbered as 1 and above as 2 and so on, right? Only 2 boxes are placed between box W and box S, in which box S is placed below box W. Next says box W is placed in odd numbered position. Next says box W is not placed above box Q and box Q is placed in even numbered position. Then only one box is placed between box V and box T, in which box T is placed below box V. Now box U is not placed above box P. 4 boxes are placed between box U and box Q, and box Q is placed above box U, right friends? So the puzzle is little bit critical, but you have to do practice, because this kind of questions itself, well, they are given in the UPSC preliminary exams friends, right? So I have already noted this question in my paper, so I will not rewind this again and again friends. So right, so I'll tell you here itself friends, right? First of all, it is saying about, see here friends, the lowermost box position is numbered as 1 and above is 2 and so on. Only 2 boxes are placed between box W and box S, right friends? So let me start here. First of all, numbering the boxes, right friends? So this is box 8, this is box 7, this is box 6, let me, yeah, no problem. Next, this is box 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, right friends? So now the boxes, what the boxes are saying here, that is lowermost position is 1, 2, 3 and above all, etc. Next, only 2 boxes are placed between the box W and box S friends, right? So let me, right friends, we have given the number as well, that is box 1, 2, 3, 4 from the lowest to upward, friends, right? So in puzzle we have to read each and every point very word to word, very importantly, friends, right? Very carefully, we should not miss any point, right? So here it is saying boxes are from P to W, right? So P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W. Sorry, right, friends? Now two boxes are placed between W and S, right? So first of all, let me draw here two boxes. First box, and there are two boxes between W and S, friends, right? These are two boxes and this is the third one, and even they are saying W is positioned in the odd number and it was positioned above the S, right, friends? That is, it is clearly mentioned in the question, that is S is not placed above W. So here let us keep W and S will be here, right, friends? And we will note down that W should be placed in the odd position itself, not in the even position. That means W will come either on 7th position or 5th position or 3rd position, friend, right? And it won't come under first position, because after that it should be left with the 3 boxes, friends, right, to include S. So there will be no chance to getting here, and the position of 7 would be possible, 5 would be also a possible, friends, right? So we have only two options, that is 7 and 5, but we are not confirmed about the 7 or 5, friends, right? So we will just hold it on. Next it is saying Q is placed in even position, right? Q is placed in even position and it was not positioned below the box W, right, friends? Not positioned below the box W. That means Q is ultimately positioned above the box W, friends, right? So here you will come W, right, friends? And W may come anywhere, friends, but we are taking just a situation, friends, right? Next, there is only a one box between V and T, right, where T is placed below the V. It is clear, T is placed below the V. That means V should come on the top and one box should be left for some other place. Then you should note here, that is T, right, friends? Then comes U is not situated above P, right, friends? U is not situated above P. That means U is situated below P, right, friends? So here it is your box P, then comes your box U, right, friends? Here this is your box U, right? Next comes here, that is there are 4 boxes placed between Q and U, friends, right? Q and U. There are 4 boxes which are placed between Q and U. So this is box number 1, 2 and 3. This is the box number 4 and here it is your U, right, friends? Here it is your box number U. Now comes the situation, friends. Problem, we have to arrange this in a proper way. That's it, nothing else in this, right, friends? So Q should be placed in the even number. Q should be placed in even number, friends, and after Q there are 4 empty boxes, right, friends? There is a gap between 4 boxes between Q and U, friends, right? So you have to see, if you placed Q here, you should left 4 boxes, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, then U will come at this position, right? If you place Q in 6th position, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and S will come, U will come here, friends, right? So which would be possible? These two are also a possible, friends, right? But you can see here the other situations are not possible if we put Q in the 6th position, right, friends? So let us even see even that also, friends. So this is box 8, box 7, box 6, box 5, 4, 3, 2, and this is 1. So let us put Q in the 6th position first of all. Next we should leave 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are putting U here, friends, right? So ultimately P will come above, friends, right? P will come above U. So we can put U here or else anywhere else, friends. So we will wait for that. So here you can see W will come at the odd position. W will come at the odd position. So we will put W here, right, friends? So we will put W here, and 2 boxes we have to leave, 1 and 2. Then comes your S, right, friends? Next we see W will come below the Q, right, friends? So W will come below the Q, so which is not possible, friends. See here, W is placed here and S is placed here, so it is not possible. So S should be placed in the odd number, and if we put S in 5th position, W in 5th position, then we will see W 1, 2, then S will come here, friends, right? So it is also a possible. Then we will erase this thing and this thing, friends, right, friends? So now it is okay. Now we should put V and T, right, friends? V and T, but it should be put one gap between V and T, but there is not possible, friends. Is there any possible between 4 and 3? So it is not possible. For this purpose I have said this strategy is wrong. Next we will move further the another strategy. So first of all we will put Q in the even position. So Q we will put in the 8th position. Then we should left over 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4 boxes. Then comes your Q position, friends, right? So first of all we have done with this, right? This lot we have done. Next we are coming about the C here, friends. This thing, W should come below Q, right, friends? So we have done Q here, so we will write about W here, friends, right? So we have done about Q and W. See here, Q is we have noted down at even position, yes, obviously correct, and W we have noted down at odd position, yes, it is also correct. Next we should leave 2 boxes here. So 1, 2, then comes our S, right, friends? S. Then even we have done this and this second slot, right, friends? Now we are left with V, T and P, right, friends? V, T and P. So now we will see how we should solve this. So first of all let me strike it off here. I have done with Q and W, S, U, right, friends? Now we have left with P, R, T and V, right, friends? P, R, T and V. So to write this thing, right, friends, to write V and T, we need at least one box between V and T, right, friends? Is there possible here, friends? Let us see here. So let me think over it, friends. Sorry, friends, something went wrong. Let me erase this thing, W and S, right, friends? So W we have to put at 5th position, friends, right? W, next 1 and 2, here we will get S. Now it is correct, friends. V and T, see, now we can put V here and T here, right, friends? Because T should be placed below V, right, and in between there is a W, so it is not a problem for us. And P should be placed above U, right, friends? Above U. So P is placed here, and what we have left with, that is R, and R is kept here, friends, right? So now let us see, this is the position, friends, right? So let me erase this thing, right, friends? So let me erase this. I hope now it is very much clear to you, right? So right, friends, so now we have to find the answer for this question, find out the odd one. Box number A says, option number A says 1 box R. So 1 box R, which is correct, friends, right? So it is not the right answer because we have to select odd one out here. Next, second option says 7 box P. 7 box P, it is also correct, so it is also a wrong answer. Next, C option says 5 box W. 5 box W, it is also correct, friends. So next, D says 1 box Q. 1 box, here it is R, friends. So this one is odd one, so we have to pick our answer as D, friends, right? So our answer is D for this question, friends, right? So in this format you have to solve the questions, right, friends? So that is it for this video, friends. If you have any doubt, please do like. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, friends, and please do like, share this video. So that is it for this video, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day, friends.